how to fix Crimson Desert crashing in game or random crashes. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to provide you the most generic troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue on Crimson Desert. So first, everything can be or should be done onto Steam. Now you're going to have to go into the Steam option right here at the upper left, go into settings, downloads, scroll down, and then execute clear download cache. Now, once you've done this, pull up the game and just leave it as it is updating by itself. And when it is fully updated, go into the library tab and then look for the Crimson Desert game. So, say for example, this one, you can go into properties and then install files and then choose on verify integrity of game files. Now, it's going to take around 2 to 3 minutes depending on your internet speed. You just have to wait for it. Now, once it is done, close everything and then try to rerun the game. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to fix Crimson Desert crashing in game or random crashes.